What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Gold Garage back at the auction. I know people get tired of me and my Mercedes E-Class, but I just had to do this one because it's a little extra special. This is a 2009 E320 Bluetec. So this is the Bluetec diesel, which if I were you, I would be terrified of. And most people are. These are a little bit problematic. This one, however, is in pretty damn good shape. Got Michelin's on it. I mean, we got nice Michelin tires. Came from rural South Georgia. It does have an accident on Carfax with airbag deployment back in this area here. Everything looks good though. I'm sure the airbags were all replaced and you know, everything was done right. I can't see anything obvious just glaring out to me except this looks very new and black. But hey, all that'll do is keep the price low. Because this thing, even though it's a little dirty, need a little cleanup, we've got great condition seats, you know, all the touch points and everything look pretty good. We just got some dirty carpets to deal with. This is going to be a nice little car. Let's crack her. Oh, it's got some miles on it too. 202. Brake wear. Got to have some brake pads put on it. Let's pop the hood. Yeah, most of these have check engine. Most Bluetecs I run across have check engine lights and all kinds of issues and codes. But this one right here, this one's pretty darn good. I don't have any leaks. I don't have any funny smells. I've got a really quiet running diesel engine with very little vibration. Everything just seems to be, oh, and the Carfax on this thing is stupid insane. It had transmission services. Now I do have, man, that ain't good. Is that a halogen? I don't know. I hate to replace those light bulbs. Dadgummit. And I'm missing a fog light down here. That's a rural South Georgia car for you. You hit deer and hit all kinds of shit going down the road. Well, maybe it'll be cheap is what I'm hoping, because we do have the accident with the airbag deployment. Low beam left, SRS lights on, and brake pad warning. Got a crack in the windshield. But look at this thing. This thing's really in good shape. Oh, the air's freaking freezing. Runs nice and cool for a Benz. I mean, it's really in pretty good shape. It was a trade-in at my good buddies at Hennessy Lexus. Man, I used to go down there and drink their bottled water all the time. In their service department. Let's put on our seatbelt and we'll go for a ride. Yeah, this car came out of Lawrence County, Georgia. I've heard of that county before. I just can't remember where it is in South Georgia, but I'm almost 100% positive it's pretty rural. It's out there in the country. Country. So yeah, this one's got some options. We got, of course, our sunroof. We got heated seats. We got our handy little, I love the sunshades. They always come in so convenient. And man, we got over 400 foot-pounds of torque. These things are torque monsters. I mean, they make like 210 horsepower, which that's not bad either. But seriously, they put out over 400, I think it's correct me if I'm wrong, but $469? I mean, that's crazy. And I've already ripped this thing once up the test track, and I tell you what, it absolutely just spins the rear tires. Traction control is just like, it can't do nothing. If you turn, I couldn't imagine what it'd do if you turn traction control off, which I don't think you can ever really do on these things. There's an off button, but I don't think it really ever fully turns off. But here, we'll go down the little test track here real quick. This thing, man, it spins the tires and you can't even hear it. It just to the floor. Oh my God. These things are great, man. They are so smooth. Oh, the transmission shifts good. The brakes are strong. I mean, I just love this car. Well, what I'm hoping is with these few little warning lights on, the accident with the airbag deployment, the crack in the windshield, things like that, maybe it won't draw too much attention tomorrow. We have a lot of cars here tomorrow. There's over 1,200 cars here, which is almost twice what they had last week. So, yeah, big sale, huge. Probably the biggest one I've ever seen or been around. So this is going to be awesome. So anyway, tell me what y'all think about the Bluetec diesel. I'm thinking bid. What y'all think? Run? Anyway, y'all have a good one. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.